This is DJ Savannah Parody on the one, the only, the Savannah Parody Show. Today our topic is Play-doh. Right now I have a Play-doh in my hand. You guys are probably thinking, like on the label, on the TV show, it says, fun to play with, not to eat. It says, fun to play with, not to eat. But when you see signs like that says, do not eat, or do not drink, or do not touch, or keep out, you really want to do the opposite. Like, fun to play with, not to eat, you'd want to eat it. You'd want to, if they say not to eat, then you know that they're trying to hide something. Or keep out, they're trying to hide something. Do not drink. They say do not drink, because probably, hey, danger, this thing is poison. You'd want to drink it anyway, and then you'd end up dead and lying on the floor. But still, you'd want to try it. You'd want to see what it tastes like. You'd want to see why they won't let you. For people who haven't tasted Play-doh before, like haven't licked it, my friend says it tastes salty. And she's right, because one of my other friends answered the question, what does it taste like? And they also said, salty. It tastes salty. So, we're going to go over the ingredients in Play-doh right after this break. We are on air. This is DJ Savannah Parody on the one, the only, the Savannah Parody Show. Our topic today is Play-doh. And where we were just talking, when it says fun to play with, not to eat, you want to eat it. Like things that say do not do anything, you want to do it. There's not really This is DJ Savannah Parody. It looked like it just came back on air, like it was just on a commercial break. So, I am DJ Savannah Parody. And we were talking about Play-doh. And when it says, fun to play with, not to eat, you want to eat. My friends tasted it. They said it's salty. I said before the commercial break that I said that we were going to go over what's in it that might not be able to be eaten. The only thing that's in there there's not really any ingredient sign, but it says on the little thing, it says fun to play with but not to eat. Modeling compound not intended to be eaten. Instructions: if spilt, remove excess Play-doh compound, allow to dry, then scrape or vacuum deposits away. Always put compound back in container after play. If necessary, water may be added 1 drop at a time to restore softness. So, it really doesn't really say anything. Well, the only thing it does say is not to eat it, because it's a modeling compound and it's not really supposed to be eaten. It's not made for eating. So, and it says that you can mold it. I molded a few things. I molded an iPod, a pink iPod. It has one of those little boxes with a one dot in it, and it says games. Then the next box under, there's two dots in it, and it says music. And then it has the little circle with the square in it, and then on top it says iPod. Really creative I am. Then I made a cupcake.
Oh, that's right. It's a natural part of all relationships. I love them so much, and I hate to see them unhappy. Well, I'm sure they have some good times together. They used to.
Okay. So